The legal impulse of RSIEC to conduct the local government election was further strengthened by the judgment of the Rivers State High Court in suit number PHC/2696/CX/2024, delivered on the 4th of September 2024, which positively directed the Governor of Rivers State, the government of Rivers State, and the RSIEC to conduct the scheduled local government election on the 5th of October 2024 using the 2023 Independent National Electoral Commission Voters Register already in the custody of RSIEC. As of today, RSIEC has expressed and demonstrated concrete and verifiable capacity and readiness to conduct the 2024 Rivers State local government election on the 5th of October 2024. As of today, 17 out of 18 registered political parties, including the All Progressive Congress, have expressly and actively demonstrated their willingness to participate by filing in candidates with RSIEC for the election. As of today, over 10 states in Nigeria have conducted local government council election using the 2023 INEC Voters Register since the Supreme Court judgment, and Rivers State cannot be an exemption. As the Governor of Rivers State, I swore to uphold the Constitution of Nigeria and abide by the rule of law and the principles of democracy. Any failure on my part to conduct the local government election would be a clear disobedience of the Supreme Court's mandatory order that no state must administer the local government council in Nigeria with unelected officers, with the attendant consequences of the state and the people being denied the statutory allocation due the 23 local government area of the state. The Rivers State government would also be acting in contempt of the judgment of the High Court of Rivers State in suit number PHC/269/CS/2024, which restrained the governor, the state government, RSIEC, from shuttling the conduct of the local government election scheduled for October 5th, 2024. Consequently, on the strength of the provision of the Constitution of Nigeria, as amended, the Supreme Court judgment in CS/CV/343/2024 and the judgment of the High Court of Rivers State in suit number PHC/269/CS/2024, I hereby reiterate that the Rivers State government is irrevocably committed to conducting the local government election on the 5th day of October 2024.